Wait. 1 second. We're unboxing shoes in 7-Eleven?
What's up guys, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyle Sneakers. I'm here with Tom
What's up, guys?
and Christian over here. We're gonna do a quick unboxing here inside 7-Eleven and we have Monday over here, one of our loyal subscribers.
What's up, guys?
He brought in some sneakers for us to unbox, so let's open it.
Cool.
Okay.
So what do we have?
We have first.
Wait. 1 second. We're unboxing shoes in 7-Eleven?
Yes.
Why in 7-Eleven?
Just for the sake of unboxing. That's it.
Okay.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Okay.
So what's you gonna go first?
Give it to Christian. Christian, what do we have there?
Alright, got some Kyrie 5s here, size 12. I don't know what these are. Oh my gosh, SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yeah.
Oh,
It just recently released.
Oh,
Yeah.
I haven't seen these.
I haven't seen these ones either. I always see the
these-
SpongeBob, the Patrick.
First question, do these have resale value?
Probably
These are
$2
but these are very cool. I'd rather have these. I want to try and buy these.
than the others.
Than the
big,
SpongeBob's?
yeah.
I'd rather have these ones. These are very
I
nice.
love the creativity they did with the pineapple leaf right here. Like,
Yeah.
that's so well done. It's so cool. This is like such a collector's item right here. I don't know if I can get myself to wear this. This is dope.
That's such an awesome shoe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we have next?
So here we have the Jordan 4 Fossil.
Oh, these are
these are the women's.
women's
These
exclusive.
are really nice. If these came out in men's sizes, I would have bought a pair. of
Yeah,
these.
me also.
These are very nice.
The quality of the material is actually
very
nice.
good colorway. You could dress these up a little bit more. Very cool pair of shoes.
I feel like this could have been like a family and friends Travis Scott sneaker in my opinion.
True.
From seeing the brown
Exactly.
and purple, this really gives me those Travis Scott kind of vibes. But why Jordan brand? Why is it only in the women's sizes?
That's racist.
Jordan brand has been releasing a lot of nice colorways for women,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Satin ones that came out not too
Yeah.
long ago. They're getting lucky.
Yeah, these are very nice.
Fantastic. So what do we have? The last one?
Ooh, looks like a Thomas kind of
Pair
box
of
right
Jordan
here.
ones. Okay, I like to see a Christian. Do me the honors, take the lid off.
There we go.
And I will tell you what colorway it is by feeling it.
All right.
Okay.
Because I'm a Jordan 1 connoisseur.
All right. Can you smell it too? Can you smell
Wrong.
stuff?
Okay, we got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I need one answer. Have these come out within the last 6 months?
Yes.
UNC Obsidians.
No.
How did I not feel the
I thought you
perforations?
would have that.
I'm honestly really shocked I didn't feel the
Yeah, the
perforations.
perforations over here.
Wow, I didn't feel those at all. Apparently I need I have tactile deficiency or something. That's not good.
Smell good. All Jordan 1s, no matter what country, smell the same out of the box. I'm
Yeah.
honestly not a fan of this colorway. I don't like the perforated leather. I don't like the barcode on the back. I love Jordan 1s, but this is a pass for me. I like the color, it's just, I gotta pass. How do you feel about these, Tom? I
Yeah.
don't know how you feel about these ones.
It's not happening.
Not happening
Not
for you.
happening for me.
Me also. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So that was the quickest unboxing. 3 sneakers
Inside of 7-Eleven.
inside of 7-Eleven. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Tom, to Christian, Sneaker Talk, and to, of course, Lifestyles and Sneakers. See you again in the next video. What's up, guys? So we have just unboxed all these sneakers inside the 7-Eleven store with Tom and Christian. And now I'm gonna ask our loyal subscribers over here to do the review on each sneakers. So let's start with these sneakers. These are called the
Air Jordan 4 Fossil.
Air Jordan 4 Fossil. So, Lebs, what?
For me, if you can compare this to Justin Timberlake 4, I think this will be a better silhouette rather than that.
Okay, next.
For me, I really think this looks like the Travis Scott.
The Friends and Family Travis
The
Scott,
Friends and
right?
Family Travis Scott. They always think of it as the Travis Scott, and the materials on this pair is really nice. And this, the Jumpman logo looks
Iridescent, yeah.
iridescent. So what about you?
Sairi,
It's on fire, man.
on fire, right?
Good.
Yes, yes.
And it's look like Cactus Jacket.
Travis Scott's, right?
Travis
Yes,
Scott.
yes.
Okay, what about you, Mark?
If you don't have money to buy the Travis Scott, this is a good alternative.
These are really good sneakers. The upper is made out of this suede material in tan. And then, like what Monday mentioned, the Jumpman logo at the back is iridescent, also in the tongue. And yeah, basically it's just a basic sneaker, but it's really nice. So let's move on to the next one. These are called the Jordan 1
First class flight.
First Class Flight. So this one just recently released, I think a week or 2 weeks ago.
Yes, yes.
So this is such a clean sneakers. If you like yellow, if you like white, this is definitely a way to go. The resale value of this is not that high compared to the other Jordan ones. It's a very unique design, a very unique material that they use. I'm not sure what material they use, but there's a lot of perforations, as you can see. And there's a barcode at the back. Personally, it's not my type, though it is a clean sneakers. What do you think, Lebs?
Yes, actually for this one, this is not the typical type of AJ1 materials. And for me, this is definitely for a woman silhouette or for a woman version.
Oh, so you think that these will look good on women?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So you, Ate?
The perforated leather looks like the first Jordan 1 perforated. The height,
Ah, okay.
it's the same
Good
as
observation.
the material is the same as that. And I noticed here in the lateral and in the medial side, it looks like the shattered backboard that there are like tears in the leather.
There's
and
creases on the.
creases. Yeah.
What I also noticed is that the swoosh on the lateral is different from the medial side.
Yes.
So the medial has a yellow swoosh, and the right has, I'm sorry, the lateral side will have the white swoosh. And there's a Michael Jordan signature over here. Okay, Sairi?
And yes, I agree with Sir Dev. It's good to fit in
Woman size.
woman size.
Women sneakers, right?
Good.
Yes.
Nice.
My mother really likes this pair. Shout out to my mother.
Now,
I really like white colored shoes because I love customizing shoes. So
Have you customized any pairs?
yes, I already customized Vans and I turned it Supreme.
Oh, really?
Slip-on.
Wow. You should,
With the help of
you should
my
show
girlfriend.
that in this vlog.
Yeah.
Definitely if I have a time.
Okay, so guys, so here is your Air Jordan 1
First class flight.
First Class Flight. Then lastly, we have most recent release sneakers. This is the Pineapple House. So I like the color blocking on these sneakers. It really looks like pineapple. And then the details of the sneakers are really nice. So what can you say about these, Lebs?
Honestly, don't like the silhouette.
Don't like the Kyrie Irving
Yes,
5.
yes. For me, I think Squidward collaboration will be perfect rather than this.
Oh, okay. What about you, Mandy?
For me, I think it's okay, but I, like Lev said, I would pick the Squidwards. But you can see the creativity in here. The name of the creator of SpongeBob is right here, and in the other pair, the face of Gary, SpongeBob's pet, the snail, is right
Oh,
here.
yes. Okay. Let me show it to the viewers. So Gary is actually hidden at the back of the thumb.
Yes. So that's it.
And SpongeBob is on the insole.
It's a great shoe. So how about you?
I agree din. I don't like the color with it. I must prefer SpongeBob or Squidward also.
You don't like the Patrick Star, the pink one? That's, I think, one of the most popular, right?
Yes.
Patrick Star. But me personally, I prefer the Mr. Krabs. What about you, Mark?
This pair looks decent, but for this colorway, I don't really like this. I would prefer the Kyrie 5 mismatch, the Patrick and SpongeBob.
Oh, that's nice, that's nice. I agree with all of you that these are not the best amongst all the Kyrie 5s, the SpongeBob Kyrie 5s. Actually, if you're collecting the Kyrie 5 SpongeBob collection, you should never miss this because this is their Pineapple House.
I think
This is a must-have.
For Kyrie Irving, this is the most special for him.
Yeah, for him, that's why this is this was released the latest because this is the most special.
For Kyrie.
He said that this is the representation of bikini bottom.
Yes.
Because it's the house of SpongeBob.
Yeah, because it's the house of SpongeBob. So guys, there will be another release, right?
Another release on October 24.
October
And
24.
these pairs are not yet officially released in the US. It
Yes.
will release at October 24. So right
Okay.
here in the Philippines, we have the early pairs.
That's great. That's great. So yeah, so here is the Carry 5 Pineapple House. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our quick review on these sneakers that we just unboxed at 7-Eleven.
Yes, at 7-Eleven. A very
So,
unique unboxing.
That is the first time I think in YouTube
Yes.
that anyone unboxed
First ever.
sneakers in 7-Eleven. So guys, do you want to greet anyone?
Shout out HGS All Boys.
Okay, Monday.
Shout out to my friends in Laguna, Lumban, Laguna, and in Lipa, Batangas, and special mention to Angelo Bagasao, Ernie De Lumban, and Salem Jose.
Oh.
Special shout out to my DSWD family and my girlfriend is Joy Caras. I love you.
Wow. Wow.
Shout out to RLD family, my work, and shout out to my family on Ilocos, and shout out to my girlfriend in La Union.
Last shout out to my family.
To our family.
To our family.
Since they all did a shout out, let me do my shout out. Shout out to all of you watching this
Yes.
video.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
guys.
Thank you guys.
And
for
also to
watching.
Rodel who wasn't able to go here. We're actually here at the Beyond the Culture event. Rodel won 2 tickets and he gave it away to two of these guys. So
Thank you,
thank you
Rodel.
Rodel
Thank you,
for
Rodel.
sharing
Yes,
your
thank you.
blessings. And to Jespi who's still traveling right now, shout out to you.
Shout out.
Before we end this video.
wait.
Oh, Jespi is here.
Apple.
Nice.
So because we just shouted you out, but lucky you're here. Anyway guys, before we end this video, let me remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. So please check out the mechanics down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.